That was dead center, Chrissy.
Really?
Yeah. Here, let's walk up there and look. Just carry it. Where's it at?
Right there.
Dead. Is that exactly where you were aiming, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's good. Good job.
Yeah, I didn't, you think it would like jerk when you pull the trigger or something.
Good job.
This isn't so hard.
You're a natural archerer.
Well, with this gun, you know, like that makes it.
Yeah. It's not quite like a bow and arrow.
So at Richmond Hill Shooting Range, you have two ranges. You have a 50-yard range and a 100-yard range. On our 50-yard range, on the far left-hand side, is all your handguns firing positions. Those targets start at 75 yards, go out to 25 yards. On the right-hand side of that bay, those targets start at 25 yards out to 50 yards. All right? Everything is color-coded inside of those, so if you shoot at the blue bay, you shoot at blue targets. Right here on the 100-yard range, on the left-hand side is our Kongsberg target system. That's our new digital system. Those targets are 25, 50, and 100 yards. What happens is when you shoot a round there, you'll see it at a tablet that is on your shooting station. And then that's how you make your adjustments. That basically takes away all of your paper targetry that you used to do at a shooting range. On the right-hand side is the steel range. Okay, those targets start at 50 yards, goes out to 100 yards. Those are not color-coded, but as long as you're shooting in your zone of fire, you are good to go. There's two lanes out here that are marked orange, and those are for 22 and 17 HMR rimfire only. Okay, so you got one orange range on the 50, one orange lane on the 100.
We're out in southeast Georgia in Richmond Hill. Jeff is prepping for hunting season, so we are at the Richmond Hill Gun Range where he is sighting in his guns, making them shoot straight. We're going to do the crossbow too, so really nice range. Looks like they updated it about a year or so ago. So nice features, electronic stuff. I don't quite understand it all, but maybe Jeff will explain it to us later.
I want it to be a little bit, when we're this close, I want it to be a little bit high. And now I'm gonna go over to the 100-yard. Four clicks to bring us over to the center, but I'm not gonna, I'll shoot one to verify.
So we are done at the range.
Mission accomplished. Hot and sweaty, but we got it done.
Don't forget your bug spray if you're doing archery out here, but it was a great facility.
That's very fun.
So your guns are all ready for hunting season?
Yeah, I got
ready?
two of them are muzzle loaders. The scopes are zeroed in. We got our crossbow scope zeroed in. You got some practice in.
What'd you think about my shots?
You are a dead shot at 30 yards with a crossbow.
Oh my goodness, I've never tried it before,
Yeah,
so.
hitting 3D targets, you know.
All right, well, I guess I missed my calling. I could have been a sniper.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, maybe my next life.
That was fun.
Bye, y'all.